How to vote on Verity Touch. A polling official will create a randomly generated access code to activate your ballot. Select your language and enter your access code. You can choose to mark your ballot with one of the following tools: the touchscreen interface, adaptive controller with a move wheel and select button. You can customize screen contrast, font size, audio volume and speed, and choose from available languages. Once you've customized your settings, select Begin Voting. When you begin the voting process, mark your choices and select Next to move to the next contest. The voting booth offers easy wheelchair access, and the tethered controller can be extended to wherever it is easiest for you to use. You can review your choices at any time and change selections before you cast your ballot. Select Cast Your Ballot. Your vote is recorded when you see the American flag.